Awareness Ads Dashboard Walkthrough. Homepage, full funnel metric on top tiles. Select Custom Date Range and view the performance trend. Scroll down to Campaign Management section to set up and manage campaigns. Display Campaign Setup. Select the page where you want to show your display banner. You will find a list of available inventories on the selected page. Select one or multiple inventory based on the estimated impressions and CPM bid. Next step is to choose the target audience. You can let the system choose relevant audience or create our own audience set. Create your custom audience set by filtering the cohorts you want to target. Select relevant categories. Choose your own brand or competitor brands as per your objective. Select user activity and frequency as per your product life cycle. Set and upload your ad creative. Define name for your ad. Upload your creatives as per the guidelines and dimensions mentioned. All your uploaded creatives will be available in the Creative Library. Select the products you want to show with your banner. You can select products by using filters like product name, age, category, and more. Enter custom headline, landing link, and CTA. With the creative, configure the campaign run date, CPM bid, and daily budget. Submit the campaign for review. Once approved, they will be live. Review and manage all your awareness campaigns in Campaign section. Analyze the performance on creative, inventory, and campaign level in the performance summary.